Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Anita, and we came to the village and we've just reached, it's like 11 something, so we just want to just want to sleep so that we wake up tomorrow and like panga everything. But when I tell you the safarians we've encountered, I'm telling you, my dad was praying and I couldn't even focus because he was just like, because they were entering his pants. Anyway, so for now I just said let me introduce this vlog before I sleep, because we left Nairobi in the afternoon, so I didn't get much time to introduce the vlog. We're quite busy, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, good morning. So it's currently 8:09. We've just woken up, well, a few minutes, and then we're just sitting on the bed. So we've just woken up and we want to prepare for breakfast, then we go to church, and then later on, like, we'll see how the day is going to go. So let's go. Hi guys, so we just came from church. It's like 12:40 something. We're now just walking home. Yeah, the church is not so far from our place, so it's like a maybe 10-minute walk, and then we maybe get lunch. We don't know what we're eating because we didn't carry like foodstuffs to cook, so we'll just see what we're going to do. And then plans for the afternoon, we're supposed to be going for a game drive thingy. So I think there was this thing that KWS was like, it's free entry to like national parks managed by KWS. So we are going to be going to Ruma National Park. It's just close to our place as well. So I'll see you guys when we'll be going to the park, because I'm quite tired. You know the way the after church naps normally hit. Yeah, anyway, so that's about it. So we'll just go relax kidogo, and then I'll see you guys when we are about to go to the park. Bye. So we are now preparing to go to the park, just very casual because it's not like bougie place, so it's just very normal outfit, nothing too, you know. Yeah, so let's go.
Anyway, the difference between 3 weeks and 1 week is nothing. Hapa nilikuwa natembea mpaka huko. male. The dark ones would be male. These are smaller. The males are normally giant. Unajua anakula mpaka huko juu ya tree.
Maître Vincent Gomez, respect.
Science-fiction, poema mote monsieur pona yo chérie. Nakaka yo bébé. Nalova.
Wako wengi. Alafu amejichafua. Unajua wako na mtoto saa hii uke.
Moi je t'aime toi chérie. Soki yoko bomanga bomanonga lelo. Cimetière na yezala te motemana. Nyokola na yonga na lobda du matin de noir. Pesanga ta bolingo oya science-fiction. Oyanga motema si elova yo chérie. Na lova yo maman. De tout mon cœur na lela yo bébé. Na motema nanga mon meilleur choix chérie. Oh moi.
Sahi.
Don't forget very tired.
So we are back home from Andrew, there's something walking on my face. Cobweb. Okay, so we are back home from the park, and now we're going to get food from my grandma's place so that we come back up and eat. Plans of the night. Na hizi vitu ziko mingi aje. Hebu fungua gate. Mimi siendi huko. Harakisha. Sawa. Okay. So we're going to get food so that we can eat and then probably just relax like the whole night. There's nothing that we're planning to do. And then I don't know what time we're leaving tomorrow to go back to Nairobi. We'll probably just see. Maybe not so early in the morning because we're going to see my other grandma before we go back. So yeah, it was generally a nice day. We managed. Let me see something. Wait. We managed to see zebras, buffalo, rhino, what is nyani in English? Nyani in English is? Monkeys. I didn't see the antelopes. But yeah, basically that's it. Yeah. What do you want to say?
Bird creation is nice.
Okay, so I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Yeah, there's nothing much to do this evening, so bye, good night, see you tomorrow. Huh? No. Good morning. So let me sit down. So it's currently like 9:40 a.m. and we woke up at like 8 to prepare breakfast, and we're going back to Nairobi today. So we just finished our breakfast and now we are just like showering, getting like preparing ourselves so that we go. But before we get to Nairobi, we're going to see my grandma. She's in Oyugis, so we're going to, maybe we're supposed to leave here by 10. I don't know how practical that's going to be because it's like 20 minutes too, but ni haraka haraka too because we've washed the dishes, we've cleaned everything, put our beddings aside, so it's just showering haraka haraka so that we can get in the car and then we go. So allow me to go get ready and then I'll see you guys when we're about to leave. Okay. Rudisha your side. 10:54. No, hey.
It was like this side.
We still haven't left and it's so hot. Aish, yo.